Going off on your travels anytime soon, you'll all know already about the restrictions on liquids, that sort of thing. So it's 100 millilitres is what you're allowed to take. That's on most or through most airports in the UK. So with these are 89 millilitres each. That means that you can take the entire pack onto a plane with you for travelling purposes. You get all of the different colours that are in the package, including this leak-proof one as well. So each one also has a little sucker, so you can actually stick it onto walls, in the shower, that sort of thing. They're absolutely fantastic because, you know, not enough have these sucker bits. It's just a little added extra, which nobody else has thought of. To get into them, you have to unscrew all of it, and then that comes off. To actually pop it back in, you just have to then pop it all the way up to the top bit. You can also adjust it as well. So this one's on soap at the moment, so let's change it. So let's change it to... I don't know what we're going to change it to. I don't know, let's see. So it is quite tough to change it, but there we go, shampoo. You've also got sun cream, conditioner, or lotion. Takes a bit of time to get that round, and then the top is just a screw on top. One thing that I have noticed with this is it takes quite a lot to push it so that stuff actually comes out. So it would be nice to see a bit easier rather than push it halfway down and then it pops. Other than that, they're literally a welcomed addition to any travel plan. So I'm taking them anywhere I have, anywhere I've had booked on holiday. So that means that these are coming with me around on my travels, just because they're so handy. I know they're under the limit, and if they want to check, they can see straight away that they are under the limit.